Does the tech bubble pop this year?
No, no, it doesn't. Growth across most of the major companies continues. Tech continues to be the second largest part of the world economy. Even if you look at the last bubble, what you saw was there was some demolition in value, but what you didn't see was the growth stop. And we're going to continue to see growth in each of these companies.
So where do you see the winners and losers? Who are they?
I think when you look at, it's all over the place. I mean, one of the biggest winners, and we talked later on about the metaverse, but is Roblox. They had 100% growth in revenues, 35% increase in stock value last year. Zoom, which everybody thought was sort of flash in the pan, was up between 2021, was up around 350%, but it's still up, and based on estimates in the third fiscal year, still up 50%. TikTok, now the largest site on the internet, only followed by Google. And even though I have a long way to go in terms of turning that traffic into revenues, they've come out of nowhere in the last couple of years. Shopify revenues up 40%, estimated to be up 46% year over year. They're just everywhere you look, you see a lot of growth. Even Apple, look at Apple's revenue growth. Amazon almost up over 22% between year and year, and almost 2/3 of that in Amazon's highly, highly profitable marketplace business.
Speaking of highly profitable marketplaces, what are your thoughts on NFTs and whether that market will continue to soar this year? There was a lot of volatility, a lot of big swings, downswings, optimism, pessimism. Where do you think this goes?
Well, certainly 2021 was the breakout year. And we went from 2020 around 100 million in sales to, we estimate, about 8 billion in sales from 2021. And while you think a lot of that being games, it's reality. A lot of it's been in sports trading cards, and NBA Top Shot. We estimated it'll be around 800 million. And even Nike got in the action. Nike bought a company in the middle of December called Artifact, which does virtual apparel and virtual sneakers. So we're not sure if, from a value perspective, this is a bubble that's going to burst or if it's going to continue to grow. But what we do believe, and that's about values, we do believe that NFTs are here to stay, and they're going to be important, especially as we move into the world of the metaverse and people are looking to take those virtual goods and put them into their presence in metaverse.
There's an interesting trend in video game makers getting into NFTs, but fans seem to hate it, which I find curious, given you would think that there would be some crossover there. What do you make of that?
People have been trading virtual goods in games for a long time. If you look at games like World of Warcraft, they've been winning the digital elements. They've been trading them on marketplaces, mainly marketplaces in places like Korea. So gamers are used to seeing virtual goods and trading it for other virtual goods. I think part of the reason why gamers are not really so excited about it is because they don't view it purely as games. And these are people who are buying an element, a Bored Ape or whatever, and it's not part of a game. It's not part of an environment, and they don't view it as authentic.
What about crypto? Crypto in 2022, where does it go? Quickly.
Well, crypto, actually, the biggest winner in crypto is Ethereum. Up from a value perspective, up over 500%. Ethereum is important because it's not just cryptocurrency, it's also a blockchain platform that other people can build applications like NFTs on.